Pull that out. You do not need that for rocker guard. Makes it flow a lot better. You don't need very much in there. Don't have very much in there. I don't need much, but I think I have to open the other one. Two-to-one easy mixture on that too. Whatever you do, if you use this stuff, do not hesitate to clean out your spray gun when you're done. It will become a hockey puck in about 15 minutes. It sets up really quick, especially in the heat. That speed is what makes it so good. What we're going to do, we're going to use our 3M performance gun. We're going to put a 2.0 tip, which I always keep clean right there. Put a 2.0 tip on that. I'm going to lubricate that a little bit. I always like to lubricate them a little bit with some clean gun cleaner and get that so it flows nice in there. Doesn't get sticky. Alright. First we're going to cut our sand pattern way down like that. We're going to drop this down to about 10 psi or less. We want a nice rough pattern of it. We're going to shoot down the process so we don't build up a thick edge. Degrees for 15 minutes. By the time that cools back down, we'll be ready to proceed. Alright, so we told you, be careful with this 52,000 from SEM, because it's, as you can see, it's been what, 30 minutes? Not quite 30 minutes?
Just about. Yeah.
It's already hard as can be in that cup. So it ain't coming out of your spray gun if you wait too long. So get it cleaned out immediately and you'll be fine.